Hello, all the lovely peoples. Welcome back to my channel. So, as I am a professor of statistics, I would like to teach you statistics and some statistical problems. Some of your friends and batchmates thought that statistics is really hard subject, but actually this is not right. Actually is statistic is easy if you can understand it very easily. So I give you some tips about statistics. At first, you know the basic terms of statistic. Number second, do the math as much as you can. You know it is a mathematical course or subject, so it has different types of math, and you can't memorize math. Okay, so if you practice regularly this math, it will be helpful for you and you can understand very easily. So try to write down this statistical math every day. It will be helpful for you. You can easily solve your next maths very easily. So I'm not going to talk much more. Let's start our statistics class. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's start. Meaning of statistics. Meaning of statistic. The word statistic has three different meanings, which are discussed below. Wait, I will try to. Plural sense. Number two, singular sense. Number three, plural of the word statistic. Plural sense. In plural sense, the word statistics refer to numerical facts and figures collected in a systematic manner with a definite purpose in any field of study. In this sense, statistics are also aggregates of facts which are expressed in numerical form. Singular sense. In singular sense, it refers to the science compromising methods which are used in collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of numerical data. These methods are used to draw a conclusion about the population parameter. Plural of word statistic. The word statistic is used as the plural of word statistic, which refers to a numerical quantity like mean, median, variance, etc., calculated from simple value. Features of statistics. Number one, aggregate facts. Single or isolated figures are not considered to be statistics because such figures are unrelated and cannot be compared. A single figure of the boy of 26 years would not constitute statistics. It is just a numerical statement. The fact statistical data are concrete numbers which represent objects affected by many causes. It is not easy to study the effects of one factor only by ignoring the effects of other factors. Here we have to go for the effects of all the factors on the phenomenon separately as well as collectively, because effects of the factors can change with change of place, time or situation. Estimated or enumerated. According to the features of statistic, data can be enumerated or estimated if the numerical statements are precise, accurate. Then they can be enumerated. Contrary to this, if the field of investigation large and beyond comprehension, then the estimation procedure can be adopted. So I hope that you can really understand this part. Then number 5, numerically expressed. All statistics are expressed numerical figure expressed in number and related to quantitative information only. Quantitative characteristics do not come under statistics unless they are assigned ranks as a quantitative measures of assessment. Collected for a predetermined purpose. Collected should be for a predetermined purpose. The figures are collected with some global goal objective in mind. Without any objective, collected data will be useless. Thus, the purpose of collecting data must be decided in advance. Number 7, placed in relation to each other. Numerical information must be marked related and comparable. In the absence of such quality, the statistics would see the purpose. For example, statistics related to number of children born, exports, country, coal production, etc. have no relevance for statistical analysis. So these are the features of statistics. I hope you can understand every point of these questions. Every feature is really very important and really very easy if you can understand, then. But if you can't understand this feature, then it will be very hard for you. But I will try to explain these features very easily to you, and I hope that you don't have any others hesitation or any query. If you have any questions, then you just inform me. I will try to reply you. Okay, so our next is limitations of statistics. Although statistics is a very useful science, yet it suffers from certain limitations. According to Newsom, it must be regarded as an instrument of research of great value, but having several limitations which are not possible to overcome, and such they need a careful attention.
How minutes you spend in this video?
Okay, let's
5
do the
minutes
math. No, 30 minutes.
It's 30 minutes
It's
video.
classes, yes.
Then you read book and
Okay, take your time. One of my students come here. Okay. Number 1, not useful for individual cases. Statistics does not give any recognition to an individual observation. Number 2, does not study qualitative aspect Statistics only deals with the numerical data, those facts which are not related a qualitative aspect like poverty, honesty, beauty, ugly, etc., which cannot be expressed in numerical terms. This is very unique part. Statistics deal with average. Statistical findings are only true on the average according to key scholars. Statistics largely deals with the average, and these large averages may be made up of individual items radically different from each other. Thus, statistical information is true only on an average. Homogeneity of data. Quantitative data must be homogeneous. It because different quantities of data cannot be compared. For instance, production of food grains cannot be compared with that of scooters. It is so because food grains are measured tons while can cars in terms of rupees of numbers. Results may prove wrong. Statistical results may prove wrong. Actually, I feel very sleepy. But it is not possible in the field of chemistry in physics. For instance, if a statistical says that production of food grains in Bangladesh will reach 5,260 metric tons by the end of 1999, it doesn't mean the production will exactly 500 5,260 metric tons. It can be little more or less than this. In this way, statistics fail in the fields where accuracy is desired. So, guys, I hope that you can understand. I am feel actually very sleepy today, but I need to take your classes. I do work hard for you. As always, you can see if I was sick or if I can manage my time for you to take your class. So don't miss your classes. Study properly and watch my lessons videos regularly. It will be more helpful for you. Also, do curriculum activities in your school or colleges. Okay. So our next question is functions of stat. Statistics as a discipline is considered indispensable in almost all spheres of human knowledge. It presents data in a simplified form as to make them intelligible. It analyzes data and facilitates draws of conclusions. Now let it briefly discuss some of the important functions of statistics. Functions of statistics is really very important. So don't miss it, okay? You can see that any yes, I need. Okay, thanks. One of my favorite student giving me this light for taking my class. So thank you, my students. Nowadays, electricity gone every day. In our city, almost 5 or 6 hours we don't have any electricity. This is really very pathetic and it is really harmful for our study. We cannot take any classes right? But with this electricity problem, we cannot be lazy, or we cannot be stay in, or we cannot be stuck. So we need to continue our class. Okay, so dear students, give me few minutes. I try to hmm. I hope I you can see me very clearly. So presents factors in simple form. Functions of a statistic. Our next question is really very important. Functions of a statistic reduces the complexity of data. Statistics simplifies the complexity of data. The raw data are unintelligible. We make them simple and intelligible by using different statistical measures. Some such commonly used measures are graphs, averages, dispersions, skewness, kurtosis, correlation, etc. These measures help in impression and drawing inference. Therefore, statistics enable to enlarge the horizon of one's knowledge. Facilities comparison. Comparison between different sets of organization is an important function of statistics. Comparison is necessary to draw conclusions, as Professor Boddington rightly points out. The object of statistics is to enable comparison between past and present results to ascertain the reasons for changes which have taken place and the effect of such changes in future. So to determine the efficiency of any measure,
You can get this
no,
light
no,
and this light sitting here on this light
I
for
need
reading and
this.
this light.
I need this. No, no, thanks. You can take that light.
No, I have no need light.
No problem.
Okay, carry on.
Okay. So testing hypothesis. Formulating and testing hypothesis is an important function of statistics. This helps in developing new theories. So statistics examines the truth and helps in innovating new ideas. So what will be our next question? Importance of statistics. You can ask me that why did we need to study stat, right? So let's explain. Statistics plays a vital role in every fields of human activity. Statistics has important role in determining the existing position of per capita income, unemployment, population growth, losing schooling, medical facilities, etc. In a country, now statistics holds a central position in almost every field of the industry, commerce, trade, physics, chemistry, education, mathematics, biology, botany, etc. So application of a statistics is very wide. Now we discuss some important fields of statistics. In our daily life, on daily fields, we do statistics. We used statistics on in different fields. Okay. So at first we talked about in business where we used statistics. In business, statistics plays an important role in business. A successful businessman must be very quick and accurate in decision making. He knows that what his customers wants. He should therefore know what to produce and sell and in what quantities. Statistics helps businessmen to plan production according to the taste of the customers. The quality of the products can also be checked more efficiently by using statistical methods. So all the activities of the businessman based on statistical information, he can make correct decision about the location of business, marketing of the products, financial resource, etc. In economics, statistics play an important role in economics. This is actually vast topic. Statistics actually work very hardly in economics. I hope that you can already know about it. Economics largely depends upon statistics, as I already said. National income accounts are multipurpose indicators for the economics and administrators. Statistical methods are used for preparation of these accounts. In economics research, statistical methods are used for collecting and analyzing the data and testing hypotheses. The relationship between supply and demand is studied by statistical methods. The imports and exports, the inflation rate, the per capita income rate are the problem which require good knowledge of statistics. In mathematics, statistical plays an central role in all natural and social sciences. Statistics is a mathematical subject, you guys can know about it. So in mathematics, statistical terms used more effectively, right? So the methods of nature science are most reliable, but conclusions drawn from them are only probable because they are based on incomplete evidence. Statistical helps in describing this measurement more precisely. A statistic is a branch of applied mathematics. The large number of statistical methods like probability, averages, dispersion, estimation, etc. So I already explained why statistics basically used mainly in business, in economic sectors, and also in mathematical terms. Then statistics basically used in banking sectors. So how it actually on banking sectors? Statistics plays in banking. The banks make use of statistics for a number of purposes. The banks work on the principle that all the people who deposit their money with the banks do not withdraw it at the same time. The bank earns profit out these deposits by lending to others on interest. The bankers use statistical approaches based on probability to estimate the numbers of depositors and their claims for a certain day. In estate management, statistic is essential for a country. Different policies of the government are based on statistics. Statistical data are now widely used in taking all administrative decisions. Statistics are the eyes of administration of the state. In accounting is impossible without exactness. But for decision making purposes, so much precision is not essential. The decision may be taken on the basis of approximation known as statistics. The correction of the values of current assets is made on the basis of the purchasing power of money or the current value of it. Then, in auditing, statistics used in auditing. Okay, you can see that electricity has gone, but I will finish our today's lessons. So, guys, don't miss this video. Okay, in auditing, sampling techniques are commonly used. An auditor determines the sample size of the book to be audited on the basis of error. In natural and social sciences, statistics plays a vital role in almost all the natural and social sciences. Statistical methods are commonly used for analyzing the experiment's results, testing their significance in biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, meteorology, research, chambers of commerce. Astronomy. In astronomy, statistics also used it. Astronomy is one of the oldest branches in statistical study. It deals with the measurement of distance, sizes, masses, and densities of heavenly bodies by means of observation. In defense and war, statistical tools are very useful in the fields of defense and war because it helps to compare the military strength of different countries in the terms of manpower, tanks, where planes, missiles, etc. In research, statistical techniques are of immense use in research inquiry in a field of industry and commerce. Research are made to find out the cause of variations of different products. So, our final question is functions of statistics. I will tell the points of this and I will explain these points in the next class, but not now. I only tell the points on this video. So, here are some functions of statistics. Functions: simplification of facts, number 1. Number 2, comparison. Number 3, a relationship between facts. Number 4, formulation and testing all hypotheses. Number 5, forecasting. Number 6, enlarge individual knowledge. Number 7, to indicate trend behavior. Number 8, classification of data. Number 9, to measure uncertainty. Number 10, to draw rational conclusion. So, simplification fact: the foremost purpose of the statistics is to simplify huge collection of numerical data. So, these are the 10 points of the functions of statistics. This is actually very big. This is actually very big chapter. You can see there is no electricity today, so I would like to end this class. I hope that you can understand what I teach today on this class. Must learn and watch this full video very carefully. I hope this will be very easy for you to define statistical different types of functions, statistics advantage in different fields very quickly and easily. So also if you have any more questions about statistics, as I am a professor of stat, you can ask me without any hesitation. I will try to explain more easily your questions on my next video. Stay connected with me. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.